These are the worst mechanical headaches that will leave you wanting to never become a mechanic. This customer drove their vehicle into the shop claiming that the car was shaking on the motorway and wanted a cheap and easy fix. The mechanics were shocked to say the least.
Customer drove into the shop like this.
Okay. Good. 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 Good.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the car randomly shut off without any warning signs, absolutely none at all, and denied any claim of perhaps hitting something.
Customer states, just driving along and then the motor shut off. Now. Now. Now.
This customer states that after 15 minutes of driving their vehicle, the car will start shaking and not steering very well. Upon further inspection, the customer decided to get a second opinion when they didn't agree with the mechanic.
2005 Chevy Equinox. Customer states after about 15 minutes of driving, it starts jerking. Well, this ain't connected. Inner tie rods both have play. Frame rot to complete oblivion. Rear drive shaft says nope. She's converted to front wheel drive. Doesn't even exist. PCV valve, you know, it's just chilling. It don't need to be plugged in. We don't need that. Belt tensioner just completely left the chat. But I got brand new shocks though. So there's a plus. Oh my lord, this thing is a mess.
This customer states that they hear a loud grinding noise from the back of the car and want to know if the mechanic can flip the rotors and brake pads around for more use out of them.
2013 Honda Accord. Customer states, I hear a loud grinding noise coming from the back of my car. Come over here. There's no pad left, so there's one of your grinding sounds. The rotor is as thin as can be, you know, just casually riding on a fucking rotor that's about a split in half. Come over to the other side. Thin rotor too. No pad left, just metal to metal. Surface is completely rough and destroyed. Yeah, I think you need brakes.
This customer states that they have a misfire, and upon further investigation, dodgy coil pack wiring will definitely do it.
Nope.
This customer states that they have a tire light on their Nissan and must have a flat. Upon further investigation, the tires are recommended to be 38 psi, which isn't the case.
Customer states on the Nissan that his tire lights are on. They thought they might be a dead sensor. This one had 65 pounds. This one had 80 pounds. This one has 65. And this one has 70. On a little Nissan Maxima, they should only have 35 pounds.
This customer states that they are having extreme difficulty when trying to turn their 4x4 truck and want to know why.
Customer states hard to make turns. He literally had all 4 of his hubs locked in.
This customer states that they are hearing a loud noise when braking and want to know why. Upon further investigation, it looks like they've been saving their brake dust for 20 years.
Customer states, my brakes makes noise.
This customer states that they felt a knock when driving on the highway and no longer can get the car to turn on. The customer tried changing the oil and even jumping the car and couldn't get it to start.
Customer stated he felt a knock on the highway and his car doesn't turn on anymore. Yeah, I think I see the problem here.
This mechanic states that at 10:30 p.m. last night, a Dodge truck started rolling through their shop on its own and almost knocked all of the trucks off the lifts. This customer had their buddy install their subwoofer in their car, and the mechanics weren't exactly impressed with how they ran the power cables. This mechanic states that at 10:30 p.m. last night, a Dodge truck started rolling through their shop on its own and almost knocked all of the trucks off the lifts. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more mechanical nightmares.